Well, hello, friends. I thought I would do a video on seeing without glasses. And this is something that I have dealt with for all my life. Um, in my home, I grew up, I had, there's, I got two brothers and two sisters, my parents, and we went to school in the public school, and somehow, some way, I got sent to the eye doctor. I think maybe what happened was the teacher noticed in kindergarten or first grade that I wasn't seeing the blackboard clearly or something, and sent me to the eye doctor with my parents a note. And so I was nervous, and I failed their eye test, and I got prescribed a very thick pair of glasses. I actually had minus 11 diopters most of my life. I'm 60 now, and I wore glasses for 33 years, starting at about the age of 5 or 6 years old. And my glasses would get broke sometimes in school. We'd play dodgeball and so on. I'd get hit in the face, and then I'd have to get them replaced. And my parents were very, they really wanted me to wear those glasses every day, all day long. They paid a lot of money for them, and they really wanted me to wear them. And so I got stuck wearing those my adult life. And then in 2001, I found out there was ways to restore vision. And so I began to study books and research. Now, and the internet came out, and so I decided to remove my glasses. I took them off. I remember I bought a little vision improvement course on the internet for $50. It's some papers explaining Paul's pathway to vision recovery. He's no longer online. But anyway, I learned a lot from it, and I began relaxation. I took my glasses off the first time, and I decided I'm going to take a walk to the park. So I walked up a couple, 3 blocks to a park there in Keokuk, Iowa. And as I was looking down at the sidewalk, suddenly the sidewalk came in real clear to me, clear focus. I thought, wow, my eyes can see clear, at least momentarily. And I looked around in the park, and trees and grass and swing sets and things. And occasionally I would see clearer, and then it would go back to the blur again. And this would repeat over and over and over. I'd have these clear, flashes of clear vision momentarily, and then the blur would come back very quickly also. And so I realized that my eyes have the ability to see clear. I just have to have a way of maintaining that clarity, of extending it. And so I've been practicing with that since 2001. This is 2024, June. And I still struggle with the blur. Those glasses, wearing those glasses for 33 years, those real thick glasses, they really made my habits of straining and staring a permanent feature of my being. And so it's really been a struggle to break out of those old habits and to maintain the new and good habits of open, clear vision. And so I learned about Dr. Bates, Dr. William Horatio Bates method, the Bates method of clearing the eyesight. And he taught people to palm, put their hands over the eyes and palm for several minutes. And he taught people to look at the sunlight, close your eyes, and move your head back and forth and do what he called sunning. And he taught about how to relax the mind and eyes so that you can see clearer. And he would teach you to close your eyes and imagine a scene that you feel comfortable in, and pleasant memories and things that you're interested in. And all these things trigger clear vision. And he said that when you look at an eye chart, you imagine that the white is really white, the black is really black, and just things like that. You can read his books. He's got a book, Perfect Eyesight Without Glasses, or Better Eyesight Without Glasses. He also has he did a series of magazines for about 12 years, and they're all compiled in a big old book. And you can study his teachings on that if you would like to go into that. And so it's a work in progress. Like I said, I've been doing this for 23 years, seeing without glasses. Actually, I had to learn how to do this at work, and that was the biggest challenge. I'm a registered nurse, actually retired, and even going to college, you know, I'd have my glasses in my pocket or something. I couldn't see the you know, the slides and so on that well, but I would listen carefully, and then I'd read the books at home. And I tend to read close, you know, because of my myopia and nearsightedness. And so I would practice moving the book back a little further from my face, you know, like print pushing they call it, or and seeing the book a little further from my face, things like that. And so anyway, I got through college. I even took the NCLEX exam without my glasses. I just had to look a little closer to the computer, you know. And I felt like I could operate more fully and easier and better without my glasses, actually, because I found out by experience that I could relate to people and talk more comfortably and casually without my glasses. If I have my glasses, I'm more like frozen, like a robot. Everything is just robotic and quick, jerky movements. But if I take the glasses off and become comfortable with my surroundings, I felt like I could just be more myself. I could smile easier. I could relate to people and have more access to my memories as I'm talking and thinking. I could think faster on my feet because I had more access to all my resources mentally. And so it really has helped me a lot to live life without glasses. I love life without glasses so much more than I do with glasses, 10 times more, 100 times more. I just hated glasses. You know, I'd get these sores behind my ears where the earpieces would fit, and I'd get these tension headaches, and I always felt under a strain and very uncomfortable. When I took the glasses off, especially for hours and days and weeks and months, I just felt so much more free. You know, I never want to go back to wearing glasses full time again. I just hated it. But anyway, I feel so much more free and happy without glasses. And why did it take me 23 years to make a video about it or really publicly share my experience? Well, I tell you why. It's because I've been waiting for that magical moment when I don't have blurriness anymore and I'm always seeing clear all the time. But that has not come. That has not come even till now. And so that's why I've been holding off telling the good news to people about my own experience, because I still haven't got my vision perfectly clear all the time yet. And maybe I will not get that. Maybe I will go to my death and never have that experience of clear vision 100% of the time. But right now I got clear vision about 20% of the time. And that's clear flashes, you know. And so I practice with an eye chart. I practice, pushing the book away from me, or the computer, the video away from me, like that, or tablet or cell phone. I practice looking in nature. I noticed that looking at greenery, trees and grass is very helpful, and just trying to be a relaxed frame of mind, and do more listening rather than reading. Like I'm listening to the Bible more as opposed to just reading it. Things like that help me. But anyway, I do feel a whole lot better in my mind and body without wearing the glasses, and I just wanted to share that with you. Because some of you might want to find a way to get out of your glasses. You know, what can I do? Well, there is a training wheels for vision recovery. They have what they call pinhole glasses, and these glasses look like sunglasses. We got all these little holes drilled in them, and it looks like a bug eyes, you know. And they call pinhole glasses, and it'll help almost anybody see clearer through those little pinholes. It's kind of like you look through a tiny hole, and when you look through a tiny hole, you can see clearer through that tiny hole. You can take a piece of paper and take a needle or a pencil and make a hole in it and stick that piece of paper up to your eye, and you can see through that little hole, and it gives you the idea of what the pinhole glasses do for you. They focus the vision through that tiny hole, and you can see a lot better through that tiny hole if you struggle with blurry vision. So anyway, I hope this helps. The Bates method is good for myopia and nearsightedness. It's good for farsightedness, where you can see good far away, but you can't see good close up. It's good for that. Or if you see good close up, but you can't see far away very good, it's good for that. It's good for most any kind of eye trouble. Practicing the palming, the sunning, and also swinging back and forth. Dr. Bates emphasized, like doing these swings where you swing your body back and forth is very relaxing, and it gets things moving. Because the problem with blurry vision is we tend to see things stationary, stuck in place. and a flat screen. The glasses give you the flat screen effect. But you take off the glasses and you look in nature, especially going outside, and you move your head from side to side, you begin to see things moving, and you see three-dimensional. Everything's in depth and perception, three-dimensional. The colors become more vibrant, and details pop out, and you can really see things much sharper and clearer that way. So I practice that a lot. So anyway, I hope this helps you in your vision journey. And I just thought I'd share my vision journey, and God bless you. Thanks.